Okay, Eirik, it says I got 5 minutes of video, so do it. By the way, what is he blowing up, Jimmy? What's it called?
Tannerite.
Eirik is shooting Tannerite. Close, bro.
Look at all the fish.
There's no fish in there.
Those are fish jumping around the water.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Close. They're little fish. They're about to all die.
Ooh.
He's close. I think he's too close to it, man. Come on, bro. Hit it.
Oh, he's getting down.
He's getting down. He's getting serious. He's hit that wood about 10 times.
Oh, that's so close. That's a Ricky.
Oh, you did hit it.
100 yards?
It didn't blow up. I wouldn't walk near it. Oh, that's it.
That was awesome.
Very nice, Eirik. Got it on video for you, bro.
Hey, Eirik.